This is a curbside mail safe. And typically you would see these out in the country. I only see 2 pins here. And okay. So we know that's unlocked and this is locked. The nice thing about this is you throw your mail in and most people won't be able to get into it, right? Well, that's what you're wanting. If you live out in the country, count while I'm doing this, if you live out in the country, you don't want somebody breaking into your mail. That's just something you don't want, right? You don't need this to happen. So if you live in a very rural area, I think less than 10 seconds, I was able to get in and get the mail. That's a very crappy design. Just for fun, I'll lock it back up. And that's it. So, don't count on this to be in your safety for your mail for important stuff. This is a joke. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.